you doing today? I'm here to talk about $25 One Up. It's a new company that I just discovered and joined. It's one of the best ones I've come across. It has everything that you need. It's fully automated, autoresponder, funnel, opportunity, chance to get secondary income. It also allows you to promote your other businesses, and it's pretty simple. It's pretty user friendly. And if you would just check out the link below and comment, subscribe if you have any questions or whatever. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you at the top. How you doing? This is the $25 One Up back office dashboard system part. And here, as you can see, it comes with everything that you need. It has funnel pages, like everything that you need to be successful in this business. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and register and sign up for your account, and then follow the 7 steps right here, and go through all the trainings and do exactly as it says, and you'll definitely start making money as soon as today.
$25 one up.
The $25 one up.
$25 one up.
$25 one up.
Fact: 97% of people never make money online. Today, you will learn how to become a part of the profitable 3% of people without having to do any home meetings, hotel presentations, or convincing people to buy anything. So cut off all distractions and pay super close attention to this short video. Now, I'm going to come to this in a moment. However, before I do that, let me ask you a quick question. What is the most successful business model in the world? The answer to that question is all around you. Everywhere you go, you'll always see a McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Hilton Hotels, 7-Eleven, and the list goes on. All of these are franchises. No matter where you go throughout the United States and the world, you're going to see the same big box businesses. And why is this? The answer is simple. Each of these businesses have created easy, duplicatable systems, along with unique branding and products, allowing people like you to buy into that franchise. Any average person can leverage the strength of recognized brands and products, along with a global network of support, to easily make a great income. The essential thing is, none of these franchises are doing anything differently than all the others. Yet they're all making money because they all have solid products with a duplicatable system. They have used the same business model that has worked for over a century for the world's top franchises and applied it to the largest growing demographic in the world, the Internet. Let me introduce you to $25oneup.com. $25 One Up is a simple digital franchise that will provide the knowledge, the time freedom, and lifestyle changing or supplemental income that you've been waiting for. There are digital downloads, pre-written ads, headlines, email swipes, and more that have been proven to convert on demand. There are 50+ educational videos that cover everything you need to know to automate your business, which turns into leads and sales. There's no selling, no MLM, and no experience needed. The rest is an automated system in which 98% of the work is done for you. $25 One Up has the products, system, and most of all, a global network. All you do is follow the duplicatable system and get paid. And right now, right this second, I'm going to tell you exactly how. In fact, with $25 One Up, you get paid on the very first person you sponsor into the membership. Are you worried about nagging recurring payments and having to wait to get paid a paycheck or direct deposits from your company? With $25 One Up, there are no monthly fees and no auto ships. Plus, you get paid directly and can receive your money however you like. Here is a breakdown of the product levels and how you get paid under the $25 One Up system. First, there are 4 product packages that you get to keep 100% of the commissionable sales. The Gold package is $25, the Platinum package is $100, $250 for the Diamond package, and $500 for the Enterprise package. There will be a one-time $10 hosting fee for your automated website, and also an additional $25 hosting fee for Diamond and $50 for Enterprise. The Diamond and Enterprise package offer overrides in the compensation plan, but we'll get to that later. The Gold package comes with the ability to earn unlimited $25 payments, pre-written ads, and a marketing system that tracks your downline and does all the selling and telling for you. The Platinum package includes all features in the Gold package, as well as the ability to earn unlimited $100 payments, the ability to set your own third-party autoresponder, and most of all, the ability to brand yourself by setting up to 12 banner ads that promote your other streams of income. These two packages are sold separately. Now to our advanced level packages. The Diamond package allows you to earn $250 plus overrides and comes with all features in both the Gold and Platinum levels. You will have the ability to add your own sales video to the marketing system. There are 5 video training courses that cover list building, how to manage the digital marketing lifestyle, and more. The Enterprise package allows you to earn $500 plus overrides and comes with all the features in the lower levels, plus the ability to add up to 13 more branded videos in the back office. There are 7 more video training courses that cover how to close high-ticket sales, how to systemize your online business, and video marketing, to name a few. You will also be able to receive override commissions from your Gold, Platinum, and Diamond level members. You will only be able to earn on the package that you own, meaning if you purchase the Gold package for $25 and your prospect purchases both the Gold and Platinum packages, you will only receive the $25 and the $100 commission will be passed up to whomever is qualified. Now, the 3 ways to get paid are direct, qualifying, and override sales. Now, to understand the 3 ways you earn with $25OneUp.com, you have to know how the Reverse One-Up plan works. You see, when you purchase your educational product package, you keep your very first sale and pass up your second to your sponsor. There you have it. You're qualified. Now, here's the exciting part. Not only do you get 100% of every sale you make after your qualification sale, you also get 100% of each new business partner's qualifying sales. For the sake of illustration, imagine that you sell 5 Gold packages your first week at $25. Week 1, you get your 5. You pass 1 of them to your sponsor. You keep 4. So 4 times $25 equals $100. Week 2, your 4 get their 5. Each person has to pass up 1 person to you for a total of 8. So that's a grand total of 8 times $25, which equals $200 in total income earned. Week 3, your 4 get their 5. 1 each is passed up to you for a total of 12. So 12 times $25 equals $300 in total income. Week 4, those new 4 get their qualifying sale and gives you a total of 16. So 16 times $25 equals $400 in your first month. Remember, you only invited 5 people. This is life-changing income and the power of the Reverse One-Up comp plan. You're actually in profit by your second sign-up. That example didn't include the Platinum, Diamond, nor Enterprise levels, which is also powered by the Reverse One-Up plan. Can you imagine daily payments of $500 and you never spoke to them? As a bonus, the Diamond and Enterprise package will be fully qualified on both the Gold and Platinum. You'll learn more about how the overrides work once you get on the inside. Check out some of these member testimonials.
What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, just here in my office today. But I want to talk to you today about the $25 One-Up system, how you can position yourself starting today, right, to earn instant commissions, instant payments, and earn 100% commissions, right? So this is for anybody that is looking just to create extra income online, right? It doesn't matter if you're a complete newbie, because we have a step-by-step system where we're going to show you how to copy and paste pre-written ads on social media and how to generate sales, how to get commissions straight into your account. And so what you want to do, you want to get back to the person that invited you to watch this video. Okay, within my first 24 hours of joining the $25 One-Up system, I was able to generate $450, as you can see on the screenshot. Super excited. Again, if you're serious and ready to change your life, take action today. Join the team, right, and start creating an extra income so that you can take your life to the next level.
Hey guys, Vinny here with partnerwithvinny.com, and I'm a platinum member in the $25 One-Up program. Before this program, I had a problem with my team duplicating my success. But ever since I joined the $25 1-up program, that has all changed. This is a completely done-for-you system that any newbie or experienced marketer can get into and make money on a daily basis. Since I've been in the program now, I've been making consistent payments almost every single day, and my team is starting to duplicate my success.
Bye for now.
To get started earning daily payments, you need a computer with internet connection or a smartphone and at least $35 one time. You'll get all the training and resources to generate leads and sales in any business. But here you are on the last step of the process, watching this presentation right now that has been proven to convert thousands of people just like you into a brand new $25 1-up partner. Once you make that decision, then a world of possibilities opens up for you. Listen, you already see how effective our sales system is because you're experiencing it right now. This is your golden opportunity to finally be your own boss. Obtain the extra income and wealth you need in order to experience the time and freedom you desire. You have a choice. You could join today and start sending people through this exact same sales funnel. Or you can start making excuses and telling yourself you need to do more research. How many times have you told yourself that before? Remember those feelings of wanting more out of life? Wanting to live life on your terms? Well, now is the time to take massive action and finally take control of your life and your finances, or you're going to keep procrastinating. If you simply follow this step-by-step system, you'll gain success. Click the button below this video to create your account. We will see you on the inside.
Feel just like a rock star.